What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of my dream garage, or I'm gonna call it the new rap studio, right? So in today's episode, we're gonna do lighting. Well, what I'm gonna be doing for the garage, I'm gonna be installing those Hexagon lights that go up in the ceiling, and then also some vertical lights that's gonna go on the left side of my garage. We'll go jump right into it. And I shot some I won't even call it B-roll, but I shot some footage. I'm just going to talk over it and tell you what I'm going on and how we're going to install this. I already started doing a project. My GoPro died. So I'm back here talking with y'all so I can tell y'all what is going on. A little update. I'm going to show you a little update. Here is going to be my wrap station where I'm going to be doing, cutting my vinyl, doing all that. I have a product that's going to be sitting on top of that bracket. That way you can cut the vinyl and then store spaces underneath it to hold vinyl. The same type of racks are going to be going underneath my balcony or whatever, where I told you my storage area is going to be. Same rack's going to hold at least one, two, three, four, five, six, I think 8 rolls in there. So that's going to be pretty good. And then you have another, 7 or so, or 6 on this one. So, but yeah, let's get started. I already started mapping out where my attic is up here. And you'll see on the next clip how I laid it out. And then we'll jump right into it. nailed down. There you go. I wanted to keep it kind of level with the attic, and I made a little space so obviously I could still access the attic when I open it. So I would have liked it to move over just a tad, but it is what it is. But it looks pretty good. Let me put you all down so you can see the full angle. Yep, looks good. So now I just got to go ahead and cut all these wires. And then my access point for power is probably going to be this section right here, and it's going to go up there, and I'm going to wire it up and plug it actually into that plug. And I'm going to set it on like one of those Alexa kind of switches so I can tell Alexa to turn on the light. I'm also thinking about running another power source going from up there and then disconnecting the same with that one and coming back down. But yeah, let's go ahead and clip all these. And then after clipping those, then I'm going to install these lights that I have right here. They're going to be going vertical on this wall. And that should call it a wrap for today. All right, here's the vertical lights I'm going to put on the side right here. I'm thinking every 2 feet will be good on that wall. I could put one more on this end, but my pressure washer is going like right here. So I'm going to be able to add another one. So right now we'll just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the last one I'm thinking about putting over on top of here, above the station, the wrap station kind of thing. And then because I'm gonna have some stuff up above. So I think it's gonna go perfect right here. Conceal these wires so you can't even see it. But yeah, I think that's gonna good. But the only thing that's gonna suck is mounting it against on this freaking concrete, which is not a pain it's a pain to drill into. So let's get it. All right, I think I found a solution, right? Instead of drilling into this wall, I decided to use some Gorilla 3M Extreme tape. This thing holds way more than what these things weigh. These things probably don't even weigh a pound. So I put 2 of them on there, brackets. So I'm just gonna go do that every 2 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and place one. And then I'm gonna measure the kind of like the distance from here to make sure that we have it. I shouldn't even measure from here to here because a lot of the times this wall is uneven. So I don't even know about the ground. All right, maybe I'll just put a leveler across it and then let's go from there. But yeah, yes, I'm so happy I don't have to drill into that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these and then we'll get these situated. All right, there you go. Look at that. Ooh, it's gonna look so sick. And the light there, the lights up there. It's gonna look so good. Now, with these wires, I'm gonna have to conceal them, like kind of like run them up in here, wrap it around with some black loom. So it kind of like just blends in with the wall. You don't see it. Same thing with the bottom, but just wanted to test them out. Look good. Bam. There you have it. We got lights. We got side lights. Wrapped up this lighting project that we just did. I forgot to film an outro during the install of the lights. So here I am in the future with the garage already completed, just giving y'all an outro. Hope you like this last one with this music going, and then just vibing out, watching me install, and just have a little comment section in there, like telling you what I'm doing. I thought that was like a little cool little vibe. It's kind of like something I want to like add to when I start doing videos wrapping vehicles. Just, nice lo-fi kind of music, jazz or whatever, just kind of like vibing out and watch me do the process. Everybody always asks me if they're really bright. I'm telling you right now, they're bright as hell, okay? And the side lights add extra dimension to the lighting profile in the bay, so helps out a lot. But as you see, everything is coming to almost to an end. On the next episode, we're going to be going over the flooring, and I'm probably might also throw in doing my TV wall. That's going to be over here to my left. But we'll get into that the next episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll just keep this party going, all right? Thanks, y'all, for watching. Peace out.